Hi, welcome to Grow New Plants. So today I'm going to do, I promise, I say this all the time, it's going to be a quick video. I'm going to do some fall live oaks. I'm doing kind of a series, I guess you'd say, on white oaks. I did some bur oaks and some Chinquapin oaks in the last video, and then I finally got some good ripe live oaks, so I'm going to get those done today. So I'm going to move in and we'll get them stuck and we'll talk about them a little bit. Okay, so it is October the 30th, and I'm going to show you my live oaks acorns. So if you see these, you see they got that nice brown color to them, kind of a tan and a brown color. Up till now, they've been, the ones I've been seeing falling, still are really green looking. And I like to wait till they turn this brown color. And that means that they're ripe and they're probably just about ready to germinate. And I've been letting these soak for, about 24 hours. And it wouldn't surprise me if some of them haven't already started cracking open. But anyway, so basically I got a 32 cell Rootmaker tray, and I just take them, put them on their side, push them down in there where they're just barely under the soil, maybe a 1/4 inch under the soil to the top of the acorn. And that's all there is to planting them. So I've got Chinquapin oaks and I've got bur oaks that are already in the table. And I know the Chinquapin oaks, I just kind of did a little bit of prying around looking on them. I know the Chinquapin oaks have already started putting roots out. And that's been, oh gosh, I'll have to go back and look, but I think it's been maybe a little over a week and a half maybe. I don't think it's been 2 weeks yet. So, and my plan with these, and I talked about this, if you haven't seen the other video, I'll put a link to the other video up at the top if you want to go watch it. So my goal with this is that anything in the white oak group is supposed to be able to germinate in the fall. Basically, as soon as it falls off the tree, it can germinate. So I'm going to plant one tray of each of the white oak groups that I'm growing next year, the bur, Chinquapin, and the live oaks. So I'm planting one of each of them, and then I'm going to let them germinate, and then I'm just going to take them and put them in the greenhouse, sitting on the ground, keep them watered. So that's all of those. So I'm just going to put a little bit of soil across the top now. So I'm going to let them sit in the greenhouse over the winter, and then I'm going to plant. I've got other ones that I'm putting in the refrigerator that I'm going to stratify over the winter. Same seeds, but they'll stratify all winter long, and then I'll plant those out in the spring like I normally do. And then we'll see if it ends up being advantageous to do it this way. If the plants get a good jump, they germinate well, and I get a good jump on the growth of the trees into the next year, then I may start doing all my white oaks in the fall. So just kind of an experiment to see what happens. But anyway, so maybe later this fall, hopefully I get germination on these. When I do, I'll come back and show you. They're not going to be ready to transplant or anything, but as long as I get some of the seeds to sprout and little plants to come up, then I'll come back and show you an update on these, hopefully like maybe sometime in November or so. Anyway, appreciate you watching. Please share, please like, please subscribe. Thank you.